Yeah, normally you guys also, I'm wearing the whole black attire right now. I was trying to blend in with the background, kind of. Actually, I'll tell you guys the truth. Normally, when I perform, I always wear Hawaiian shirts. That's my thing. I love wearing Hawaiian shirts. And people ask, why do you wear Hawaiian shirts? Are you Hawaiian? I'm like, no. Like, well, why do you wear them, cabrón? Because they fit. I'm serious, man, because you guys know when you're fluffy, fashion is secondary. It is, man. And I say fluffy, that's the politically correct term for those of you that don't know. There's actually 5 different levels of fatness. If you don't know them, let me tell them. There's big, there's healthy, there's husky, there's fluffy, and there's damn. If you walk into a bar or restaurant and the waiter or waitress looks at you and goes, damn, dude, you need to go. Here's another clue to find out if you've gone too far. Let's say you get hungry, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, you want some munchies or some snacks. So you walk into a convenience store, no big deal. Ding, ding. What's up, man? How much are the Twinkies? 50 cents? Okay, I'll take 2. Okay, I'll see you later, bye. Ding, ding. That's cool. But if you show up at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning and it's a little more like this, ding. Go home. You've gone too far. It's cool being fluffy though. My ex-girlfriend, she was cool. She was fluffy too. She was, man. I used to call her up in the middle of the night and all my friends would always tell us how romantic we were. I'd call her up, no big deal, right? Old school, huh? Pick up the phone. Hello. Hey. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. I'm just here.
Ooh. Where?
In the kitchen.
Oh, really? Oh, what are you doing in the kitchen?
Oh, nothing. I'm just baking.
Oh, really? Oh my God, what are you baking?
Oh, nothing. Just a chocolate cake.
Oh, really? Oh, baby, say it slow, say it slow.
Chocolate cake.
Ay, Dios mío. Oh, baby. I can't take it anymore. I'm gonna come. You're gonna come. I'm gonna come over and eat your cake.